Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from WhisperNode here, back again with another Injective ecosystem tutorial as part of our Injective Ninja Nooby series. So, bridging on Injective Network can be a little bit confusing. There's a lot of different bridges, a lot of different wallets. We're going from ERC20 version Injective tokens to Cosmos compatible Injective tokens. And depending on where you're trying to send your tokens, it can get really confusing how to find the best route to get your tokens where you want them to go. So in previous tutorials, we did things like bridge back and forth between Ethereum, but we did so using mostly EVM compatible wallets like MetaMask or Rabi wallet. In this tutorial, we're gonna go a little bit different route, and we're gonna handle the case where you may have Injective tokens that you had in a Cosmos compatible wallet like Keplr wallet or Leap wallet. And maybe you staked those tokens, and maybe you want to now unstake those tokens and send them to an exchange to trade them, like Coinbase, for example. Coinbase only accepts ERC20 version Injective tokens as a deposit. So you cannot deposit directly from your Keplr wallet or your Leap wallet to Coinbase, for example. So we have to do a little bit of a trick to convert those Injective tokens to ERC20 tokens and then send them over to Coinbase. So this is an important tutorial. So I am going to use my Leap wallet here. In that Leap wallet, I currently have 25.329 Injective tokens. Now, I also need an EVM compatible wallet like MetaMask. So I have this MetaMask wallet that ends in B66, and you can see that on the Ethereum mainnet as ERC20 tokens, I have 0.41157 Injective tokens. All right, let's say I want to take about 10 tokens from my Leap wallet and then deposit them on Coinbase. How do I do that? I am going to, first thing I'm going to do is connect my MetaMask wallet to the bridge page at bridge.injective.network. So I'm going to connect my my MetaMask wallet here, and make sure that you have the right wallet connected. So one thing to keep in mind, if you're using multiple EVM wallets in your browser extensions, the bridge pages can get a little bit wonky. So when I was first doing this tutorial, I had MetaMask connected to the wallet I wanted to use, but my Rabi wallet was connected to a different wallet. So if you are using extensions, make sure they're kind of all connected to that same wallet. So you can see this ends in B66, my Rabi wallet, as well as my MetaMask wallet is connected to that B66 wallet. That way, when you connect it to the bridge page, you're pretty certain that it is the right MetaMask wallet. So I am confident that this is the right wallet. When I connect my MetaMask wallet to the bridge page, it generates an Injective wallet address based on the keys from the MetaMask wallet there. So now that I have that MetaMask Injective wallet, I'm going to copy that wallet. I'm going to go to my Keplr or my Leap wallet that has those tokens that I unstaked, and then I am going to send those tokens to the Injective address from my MetaMask wallet. Make sure it starts in INJ. So I pasted that into the recipient field, and I'm going to send 12 tokens to that MetaMask Injective wallet. So I'm going to click review, and I'm going to send those over to that wallet. Given that this is the Injective network, that is blazing fast and almost instantaneously in that new wallet. So if I go back to the bridge page here and I go to the withdraw section because I want to go from the Injective network to the Ethereum network, if I select the Injective token here and I refresh that balance, you can see that updated from 0.0098 Injective to 12.0098. So those 12 tokens have gone from my Leap wallet to my MetaMask wallet on the Injective network. Before I deposit them on Coinbase, however, I need to get those tokens to the Ethereum network as ERC20 tokens. So how do I do that? I am at this bridge page. I am at the withdraw section, and I am selecting the injective token. And you can see here, my tokens are there. And I am going to bridge 12 injective tokens from the injective network to the Ethereum network. When I do that and click review, there is a bridge fee of $50 for using the Ethereum bridge. Ethereum transactions and gas are expensive. Bridges to and from the Ethereum network are often expensive. So just be warned that if you are going back to the Ethereum network to send to the exchange as an ERC20, you are going to have about a $50 fee using this bridge. So when I put in 12 tokens, I'm going to get 10 tokens back to my Ethereum wallet. So you can see here right now on the Ethereum side, I have 0.41157. I'm going to confirm that transaction. And then I'm going to get the pop-up to sign. I'm going to confirm that. And given that this is an Ethereum bridge, it needs to go through a lot of different verifications, and it's a little bit slow, especially compared to injective networks. So I will be right back when this bridge transfer completes. All right, guys, looks like that transaction has completed. So now if I go over to my MetaMask wallet again, you can see that those 10 injective tokens or so have arrived in my MetaMask wallet. And now for the final part of this tutorial, if I go over to my Coinbase account and I click deposit here, I click receive, I go to injective, you can see I have 0 injective. You can see here that it gives me an ERC20 injective wallet address. Note that it does not start in INJ. That is okay because those injective tokens are now in my EVM compatible wallet. So if I click send in my MetaMask, paste that address in there, choose injective, and I'm going to send those 10 tokens there to my Coinbase account. Click next and confirm that transaction. And that transaction has been submitted, and we will be right back when that is complete. All right, so if I view the transaction details on that MetaMask portfolio page here, you can see that I have sent those 10 tokens, and that transaction has been validated and it is timestamped. Now, if I go back to my Coinbase account here, and I went into my transactions tab here under the portfolio page, you can see that I have received those 10 injective tokens. Now they are in my Coinbase account and I can trade with those ERC20 injective tokens. So that concludes the tutorial today, guys. Hopefully this alleviates some confusion for some people. I know that this was a little bit confusing even for myself, and I'm a pretty versed crypto native person. So thanks guys for tuning in, and stay tuned for more Ninja Nooby series tutorials. Peace.